Look at the noisy flamingos.
I like penguins.
Of course, now they're not being noisy. You hear them making noises?
It's not good. Yes, I want to see it.
These are orangutans.
Please smell that.
Say hi. He wants to say hi. Do you want to get up there, Ethan? Michael, wave to it. Yeah. Oh my goodness, what's on his head?
Guys, look.
Say hi.
I like the guy.
It has a mane. It has a mane.
This one looks like a little one.
Dude. It has a mane.
Look at this one.
Is that funny?
It's small.
Is my hand bigger than this ape? This little baby ape?
I don't know.
Why don't you say it aloud?
He needs to spread his hand out to tell.
Look.
His hands are bigger. Look at
What?
That's a
Look at that big guy.
His face looks
He's
weird.
eating lettuce and broccoli and probably kale or something.
Guys.
I don't know.
there's different kinds of orangutans.
Another one over there.
Oh,
Look at orangutan
You moved.
and a boarding
Yeah,
orangutan.
now you can have a back support. Yeah.
Ooh, I didn't really. I
And paint your arm. Very nice.
that guy was walking right by us.
Talking about the. The girl one's being loud today. It's a wallaby.
Yes, I do.
There's a wallaby. You got kangaroos. You got ducks. Actually, wallaroos.
I've never seen one like that since I was 7.
Seriously, Bluey, you are savage.
There's the black swan.
I've never seen one like that since I was 4.
We got another duck following us.
Wait, I'm
No, right there. That's what I'm talking about. I'm recording.
I'm up 6.
I'm almost 7.
We got one right there and right there.
Hey, we saw one of them.
And that one's still following.
Mom, Dad, last time we...
That guy's right there.
Whoa.
Oh, that one came out. Oh my goodness.
You're flying like crazy everywhere. That came out there. That was looking. And that one flew right here.
Look at this.
Right past my head.
What?
Exactly right there.
Did you see that, Mom?
Right.
It's a nice day today. It's cloudy, not hot and sunny.
My flying fish.
So it says there's an animal introduction in process. You got a maned wolf here, hiding under the tunnel, inside the tunnel.
If you want to see it, come over here.
Here it goes.
Go, guys. You want to see it, come over here. It's just.
That's a little monkey.
Cute.
Going all over the place.
Look, rainbow one.
Best act ever.
Ah, I see him. They're up there. Hi. You see those?
No.
And the noisy.
It's amazing.
Quack!
Quack.
I like the blue ones, but our kids like the red one.
I don't like the red one.
You like the red one too? There's swans. There's the wolf. That looks, I call it a fox. It's going away, Riley.
Hey guys. What's your favorite character?
Is that cool? See, main wolf. What are these called? Warthogs?
Answer it. You follow. You copy. Yeah.
That's what it is. What? How do you say that,
I
Dad?
don't like it.
Hikari?
Hikari.
Hikari.
I thought Jared said that.
I'm here.
For some reason, I actually thought he said that.
Another line.
Because of that crazy world. That is surprising.
That's what it's called, a capybara.
A scar with the car.
Sounds- Isn't that pretty flower, guys?
Long live the capybara.
Ethan doesn't want to get his feet wet and there's water on the ground. Did you know that's why he doesn't want to walk?
No, I didn't.
Some noisy parrots. There's another one. That's what it is.
Ethan,
Look at those cute lovebirds preening each other. That is an interesting bird.
it's already getting warmer, honey.
Turtle.
No, when
I don't know.
My interesting bird. Look at that.
I want to get to a pub later.
Yeah. I think it's eating its breakfast.
Dad.
Hi, Jared. It's not in the water. It's eating its breakfast like the rhino.
Well, you can go down there if you want.
Go down now.
It gets raining
There's
in
no-
the water.
And there's no hippo in the water, bud. And we got zebras right there. Do you see the zebras?
Downstairs.
Do you see the zebras?
No.
Oh.
It's just water.
So no hippos?
Yes. What is that?
There's the skull.
Not in water. It's not in water. It's up there.
Yeah. Eating his breakfast.
He got out. He got out in the water. Oh.
You don't like the wild dogs? Okay, bud. You can go. Hi! There's,
Somebody will go in there.
yeah. Look at the lion. Is that cool?
These are my kids over there.
Yeah, he's eating some hay. He's putting it in his mouth. His mouth is full of hay.
Yes. Yes. Oh, there's one
Yeah,
over
there is
there.
more elephants.
I just saw two of
Yeah,
them.
you gotta chew that food up first.
Piggy's eating. think he closed her mouth.
Yeah. Michael, can you move the stroller out of the way?
I think he's so far away. Effing so far away. Hey,
You see? Want to see the one that's far away?
yes.
Oh, I hear the lion speaker. Just see his little head up there.
Oh, he's trying to make you die.
Enjoying the water.
Mommy wants the tiger house. I see the tiger. I want to see that.
Look right there.
It's a tiger. Hey, tiger, look over here.
Is that tiger right there?
Big tiger, go back. Oh, big tiger, go back. Big tiger, go back.
There's the second one. Did it find the third one? Do you see the tiger?
Yes.
Get it. The noise is quieter.